Hi, I'm Angelica with United Women on the Fly, and here's today's Tuesday tip. Today I'm going to be sharing how I use packing cubes so that you can stuff all of your items for your next fly fishing trip into just this bag. Let's go. For today's Tuesday tip, use packing cubes, and that will fit into any carry-on bag for your next fly fishing trip. You simply roll each of your items tightly, and then they fit neatly into a small packing cube, like so. You can even put up to 10 caps in one of these bags, as well as up to 4 wading belts very comfortably and still have room. You can also pack up to 2 lightweight puffies into this packing cube very nicely. I prefer to organize each packing cube by climate and day. My carry-on luggage has 3 packing cubes and can fit up to at least another big one on top, and has plenty more storage space inside at the top. That's why I love the Eddie Bauer Expedition. This is great for packing your waders and your wading boots, your dry bag, and even your tech bag. And just a quick glimpse inside of my tech bag. It's got extra chargers for my iPhone and my DSLR. We are all packed and ready to go.